Hi. May I come in, sir?
Hi, come in. Good afternoon. Have your seat, please.
Thank you.
My name is John David. May I have your name, please?
My name is Jennifer Martin. You can call me Jennifer.
All right, Jennifer. So, this is the speaking session of your IELTS exam. I will ask you a few questions. There will 3 parts in this speaking section, and I will give instruction for each part. Please note, I am going to record this speaking test for marking purposes. All right, Miss Jennifer, can I have your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Now we will begin the first part. I am going to ask you some questions on a general topic. Are you ready to begin the test?
Yes, I am.
Can you talk about your hometown?
I am from Cochin, which is a busy seaport and the largest urban city in Kerala. It's a beautiful city with plenty of waterscapes, heritage sites and friendly people. Moreover, my hometown is a popular tourist destination. However, what I like the most about my hometown is the nightlife, which is becoming quite an attraction these days.
Do you live in house or apartment?
I live in a house, though I might move to a flat very soon. Nowadays apartments are becoming popular because of the high price of land. People in the cities prefer apartments, while people in the villages prefer houses.
What changes do you see in the newer buildings in your city?
Well, there are a lot of changes. Modern skyscrapers are much bigger and offer a variety of amenities like lifts and escalators, while the old buildings are devoid of any modern features. However, I really like many old buildings, which still retain a charm, and are rare to find in the sterile buildings of today.
How do you think your town will change in the next 20 years?
My town will change drastically in the next 20 years. Presently my hometown has its share of problems, particularly traffic congestion. The authorities are planning to build a few flyovers to solve the ever-increasing problem. In the coming years, there will be a boom in construction activities, fueled by the great demand for both living and commercial spaces. I hope there would be better town planning in the future, to create modern cities that are comparable with the best cities in the world.
What place in your hometown do you like best?
Oh, there are many places I like. If I had to choose one place, I would choose the Central Park, which is the largest park in the city. There are a lot of reasons for me to like the park, but the primary reason would be the closeness to nature that one gets in the park. The rose garden in the park is an amazing spot to be in, and I enjoy sitting on a bench there reading a book or watching the activities in the Riviera.
That is the end of part 1. Now, we will move to part 2. I am going to give you a question card. The card will have a question with few sub-questions on a specific topic. You are going to have 1 minute time to prepare. Here's the pen and a paper for you. You can take some notes if you would like. After 1 minute of preparation is over, I will give you 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. So here is the card. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Your 1 minute preparation time starts now. Okay, Jennifer. So your 1 minute preparation time is up. Now you shall begin your speaking.
It is pretty difficult to find a halcyon place in crowded cities. Nowadays, people go to different places like gardens, churches, and seashore to find some peace. I usually go to my farmhouse, that I find an extremely peaceful place to relax. It is around 20 kilometers away from my place. The farmhouse is located on the bank of a river. The flow of the river relaxes my mind, and the cool breeze rejuvenates me. My farmhouse is surrounded by lush green trees and crops, which seems to be dancing in ecstasy. The place is amazingly peaceful, soothing, and beautiful. Whenever I am frustrated, or tired of my work, I usually go there. The feel of cool breeze refreshes me. And I don't even need music there, as the birds chirping on the trees provide music to the ears, which cannot even be compared by the music created by humans. Well, it is not always possible to be alone, as it would make people feel lonely. Yes, sometimes it is possible to be alone at home, but most often there would be a lot of disturbance or distractions, especially if you live in a large family. There are many positive effects of being alone, like, you can relax and focus more on your current situation, to make better decisions by strengthening your mind. Besides, the empowering beauty of nature, it will make one thing about the wonders of this planet and the beauty and fragility of life.
Okay, your time is up. So, I will now go to the third part, and now I am going to ask you some questions related to this topic. Are you ready to begin part 3?
Yes, sure, sir.
Why do people go to peaceful places?
People go to peaceful places to forget their worries, tension, and problems. The natural scenery of peaceful places often helps them forget the pollution-emitting environment of crowded cities. I think peaceful places like gardens, churches, beaches, etc., generate pleasant and soothing effect for them.
Why do people get frustrated and depressed nowadays?
Overwork, competition, financial and personal problems often make people frustrated and depressed nowadays.
What do you think is the best way to relax?
I think meditation and yoga are the best ways to relax. Apart from recreational and health-oriented activities, like walking and playing games, meditation and yoga can also be the best ways to relax.
How does art of living help people?
It teaches you the way to lead a happy and healthy life by teaching the importance of mortal values like sharing, caring, and love. It also includes meditation and yoga that enhance spiritual evolution.
How do meditation and yoga help people?
Well, meditation and yoga help to relieve your everyday tedium. It helps to give some peace to your mind from the hectic schedule. These practices help you achieve spiritual enlightenment too. Besides, meditation is something that you can do of your own. Preferable, early in the morning. I have a small meditation corner in my room, which is decorated with lovely candles and stones, and it acts as a reminder when I get lost in work.
Okay. This is the end of your test. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.